What's going on here? We got a baby and two dogs and a mommy. And the baby is crawling on the dog. Getting kisses. And standing up. And the dogs are keeping watch. Hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi, McKenna. Pat, pat, pat. Piper. Hi. Piper, you are 8 months old. You heading off to go find McKenna? You get your arm stuck. There you go. Oh, face plant. McKenna. Yeah, why didn't you come back here? Under the table. You're gonna get stuck. Yeah, you can't stand up right there. Can you get through here? Oh, you can't stand up there. How are you gonna figure this out? You're gonna try to stand up here. Have you found an alternative route? Oh, backing up. You can't stand up there. Hi. What are you gonna do? That's sharp. Don't touch that. Piper, no. Bonk. Ooh, there's a way out. You're gonna have to use Allie. Yes. Is Allie gonna help you? That is a look of determination. And almost desperation. Need a hand? Are you gonna go out the back way? You've almost made it. Ooh, yay! Now don't come back through. You doing your splits? Look who made it out! Good job. Alright, keep watch for us. Piper. Piper, say hi. Hi.